My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Dark. This Dark ransomware is from the VoidCrypt ransomware family, and it is called Dark because it adds a special extension which is called Dark to the files after they get encrypted. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily without any complications. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Dark ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore because all this data gets damaged and encrypted by this Dark ransomware. This particular ransomware is not different too much from other ransomware type programs. It encrypts files, and then after the encryption is successful, the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So, if you pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that your information will be given back to you, and there is a high chance that you will simply lose your money without getting the data recovered. So, very soon you'll see how this Dark ransomware damages and infects the files. You will notice that there will be a special extension added to the data, and it will not be possible to use these files anymore. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get the message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Dark extension. The same applies to all other files that people store on their hard drives. But you should not pay the ransom. No matter how valuable the data on your computer is, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. What we recommend you to urgently do is to remove this ransomware, but to remove it you need to use a special reliable anti-ransomware for that purpose. We recommend you to use the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By the way, this is the ransom note which is put on the hard drive after the encryption. The ransom note basically displays the same thing, that you need to pay the ransom, but you should not do that. To download anti-ransomware that we recommend, please use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can be modified by this ransomware too. So we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner. The site is combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website. Download the installer of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Install the application and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect this particular ransomware and to remove it effectively from your system. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Anyway, while the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. So go to the settings, select Anti-Ransomware tab. This anti-ransomware feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So wait until the scanning is completed to see the report. So then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to remove some threats, possibly manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license, because this is the best solution to keep your data always protected against any other ransomware attacks.